So advantages and disadvantages of affiliate marketing business model. Let us discuss about the advantages or the pros in the initial stage. The biggest advantage of affiliate marketing business with respect to publishers or those affiliates are: number one, it does not involve it does not involve huge investment, or it has no or low investment. No or low investment. Your investment is low or there is no investment at all. Okay, this is the best thing that can happen to anybody. So anybody can start their own affiliate marketing programs, correct? Okay, so it does not involve huge investment. So financial investment is not a biggest challenge. Number one, it does not involve huge investment, or it has no or low investment. Anybody can even start for free. That is the biggest advantage. Okay, anybody can start for free. That is the biggest advantage that we have. Okay, and the second biggest advantage is there are no geographical restriction to promote the product. Okay, so there are no geographical restrictions to promote the product. You can sign up, you can sit down in India, and you can start promoting a product in the country US, or you can promote a product in UK. You can even get the payment done in US dollar, or Canadian dollar, or into the UK currency, whatever you call it as. Okay, so there are no geographical restrictions to promote the product as an affiliate. So number one, you are getting it for free. Number two, you can promote the product without any geographical restriction. You don't need to stick on to a particular place or a location to promote a product and generate a revenue out of it. And the third biggest advantage is flexible working time. Flexible working time. Your working time will be highly flexible. You can work as per your availability. You can work, or you can start creating content about the product or services, okay, based on the time when you are available, and you can promote the stuff. Okay, so what happens at this point in time? Let me say you have a commitment in the morning to take your mom to a hospital and come back, and in your daytime you can sit down at your home around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock and start doing or promoting the affiliate links in different platforms that we are going to discuss in the later sessions to come. Okay, and you can go to your bed whenever you are feeling tired, or when you are done with it. Okay, so flexible working time. You don't need a specific working time. By executing the flexible working time, what happens is you start getting a residual income. Residual income. When I say residual income or passive income, a dream for lots of people, which means you put your activity today, one time activity of creating a video content or a promo content for a product to increase its sales, and you just promote it, and every time when a person clicks on the link of the product demo or product description, you tend to get a revenue or a commission share being credited to your account. So your income becomes residual, and you take one time effort and recurring benefits. One time effort and recurring benefits. Let me say you go to Quora.com and build a link about a product by writing a content. You write a content once, and every time when somebody comes and reads the product details in Quora.com, the person may potentially click on the link and make a purchase, and you don't have a control over it. If you have lakhs and lakhs of people come and reading your content, there might be hundreds and hundreds of people who are making a purchase using the link inside the promo content. Okay, so one time effort and recurring benefits. And another benefit is you don't need, no need for office setup. You don't need an office setup to start working here. All you need is an internet connection and a computer. Okay, internet connection and a computer. When I say computer, it includes laptop and everything. Okay, don't ask me, sir. Sir, laptop. How about Windows laptop, sir? How about Mac laptop, sir? No. Okay, so no need for office setup. Number two, and the very biggest advantage is no need to maintain stock or inventory. Okay, no need to maintain stock or inventory. Okay, don't buy a product worth 5 to 10 lakh rupees and keep it in your store. It's not necessary. Okay, all you need to do is to redirect the user to the merchant's website, and the merchant will take care. And finally, no need to maintain supply chain management. You don't need to maintain a supply chain management, which means you don't need to courier the product, you don't need to handle the cancellation, you don't need to handle the return process. Nothing. You are not involved in the process at all in the affiliate marketing system. Everything is done by a merchant. Everything is done by a merchant. So it does not involve huge investment. Number one, there is no geographical restriction to promote a product. You can work in your flexible time. You generate a residual or a passive income. You will get one-time effort and multiple benefits again and again. No need to set up your office space. No need to maintain inventory or maintain stocks of huge value. You don't even need to maintain a stock. No need to maintain a supply chain management. It is not required. Okay, so these are all the advantages that we can have, okay, with affiliate marketing. And the beauty is you get unlimited income. No limitation to your income provided your system is working properly. Okay, unlimited income. There are people who are making thousands and thousands of dollars a day, a month, a week. Huge. That's a huge system happening. Okay, number one. And let us discuss few things about the disadvantages. Okay, obviously, okay, every action has equal and opposite reaction. Okay, let us discuss about the disadvantages of this particular products. Okay, basically affiliate marketing program is a association with a merchant to a affiliate. Now the problem is both. There can be, okay, merchants who are not doing genuine business. Okay, fake merchants are possible. Fake affiliates are also possible. Fake affiliates, which means there might be some merchants who can give you incorrect information or invalid information to you. Okay, there can be merchants who can give incorrect information, or they can give you wrong information, merchants. And you can, once after associating with the merchant and start giving sales to them, and they can decline payment. They can tell you that, I'm sorry, we are not giving, or they can be non-responsive. You cannot connect with them. There will be no communication happening. So there is lots of possibilities. Fake merchants are available. Fake affiliates. For merchants, the headache is fake affiliates. There may be people who sign up for the program and they will use some malpractices. The affiliates will give wrong information about the product just for increasing the sales. Okay, let me say there is a pulse oximeter that is in demand right now due to COVID situation. Okay, what if the pulse oximeter product, okay, it tells you that you are having, you know, COVID-19 or not. Actually, that doesn't tell you, right? The particular product helps you to determine how much is the concentration of the oxygen in your body. That is what we can understand. And if the concentration of the oxygen is very less than 92, then we can suspect a COVID attempt or attack. Now, that is just a gadget to help us understand. But affiliate may tell you that, oh, this device will help you to identify the presence of COVID exactly. Now, he will give false promises and promote the product, and the product will be sold. But what happens? The customers will ask the merchant or the manufacturer or the retailer that no, when I saw your product details and description, it told it detects COVID-19 immediately, but it is not doing. Now the customer is not satisfied. Now the merchant will lose a customer, and those affiliates might be terminated from their programs. Number one. And other issues are the merchants. The merchants may commit high commission initially. They can commit high commission. They can tell you like we will give you like, you know, $500 for a recruitment, $600 for a recruitment, and later they may slash down. They may slash down the commission, but they will pay you. But just to recruit you inside their affiliate program, okay, they can commit a higher amount of commission, you know, affiliate commission, and later they can, you know, reduce it. No other go. You have to get whatever they say, right? This is one option. This is a common thing that happens. Until otherwise we don't validate an opportunity and take it up, we cannot take it. Number two, not even two, it is a third point, something like that. Okay. The revenue that we generate, we can receive it through several systems. Okay. There are fake merchants also, as I've already said. There are fake affiliates also who are already available. Okay. But with respect to the affiliate marketing systems and programs, spamming is common, which means spamming the inbox of people, email marketing spam, promoting those stuff. Okay, now your business model can be considered as a spam. Just you roll out an email to 2 to 3 lakh people. Okay, and your domain name can be considered as a spam when people report a spam report through Gmail whenever they receive an email. Okay, so it can be a spam business also. Okay, you need to have a real entrepreneur mindset to connect with people and increase sales. The best way to do it. Okay, so it's common, but we should not spam people with respect to these things. And there is one more thing called link hijacking. Link hijacking, if the spelling is right, hijacking, which means like hijacking the aeroplane. Link hijacking. For example, if your affiliate link is available in a particular place, somebody may steal your affiliate link, or they can hack your website and change the affiliate link to their affiliate link, so that the promotion will be done by you, but the commission will be paid to that person. That's the biggest challenge. Link hijacking. Okay, so you will be promoting it, but the person will hack your site. Once your site is hacked, they will change the affiliate link to the person who hacked your site, and the sales will happen, but the commission will be given to the person who hacked your website. So this is basically called link hijacking. Okay, and the biggest disadvantage of affiliate marketing is not everybody, not everyone can make decent revenue. Not everybody can make decent revenue. Not everybody can simply generate a sale. You need to be highly committed to this one. You should know what you are doing. You should perfectly know what you are doing to generate a affiliate commission of these processes. Okay, so basically generating more revenue is one option. Lots of people think affiliate marketing is a get rich quick program. No, it is not a get rich quick program. Affiliate marketing can be a residual program. It can be a one time and multiple effort benefit, and that is how it works out. Okay, so the disadvantages that we have seen here, okay, is basically not a huge problem, but still it exists. Okay, it needs a commitment, a consistent activity to do it the right way. Okay, so we'll be discussing about the different affiliate marketing products and services in the upcoming sessions. Okay.